Hello viewers, this is IT Learning Tutorial YouTube channel for you. Today in this tutorial we learn how to backup and restore Windows credential on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it became important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. At first we go to Windows search bar and type control panel and click it. In this by category view large icon, click users and account and find credential manager. We are seeing now two type of credential, web credential, Windows credential. We click Windows credential and find backup credential and click it and browse which folder. We select data and give a name, password, and category backup file CRD, save it and next click, place Ctrl Alt delete and give password. And confirm password and click next and click finish, and we are find restore credential. We click it and browse and select file and open it and click next and place Ctrl Alt delete and give password and click next. In this way we want to backup and restore password credential. Thank you very much for watching this video.